The royal evolution. The Toyota Century has always occupied a sacred space in the automotive world. For decades, it has been the silent choice of Japanese royalty, prime ministers, and top-tier executives. It is a car defined by Omotenashi, the Japanese spirit of hospitality and absolute tranquility. But today on Vision Effect TV, that silence is being challenged by a legendary name in racing. I'm Ava, and we are witnessing a bold rebellion, the 2026 Toyota Century SUV, reworked by Tom's Racing. This isn't just a tuning project, it's a reimagining of Japan's most prestigious icon, blending the elegance of a chauffeur-driven limousine with the aggressive soul of a track-bred machine. Let's dive deep into how Tom's has transformed this monument of luxury. Exterior and Aero, the art of aggression. Just look at the transformation. Tom's Racing has applied a bespoke aerodynamic body kit that completely alters the Century's silhouette. Up front, a sharper, more pronounced splitter cuts through the air, while custom side skirts give it a lower, more grounded appearance. But the most dramatic change is at the rear. Look at that redesigned diffuser housing. For the first time ever, a functional quad-pipe exhaust system on a Century. This is a radical departure from the hidden exhausts of the standard model. Every chrome detail has been meticulously replaced with high-gloss black accents, creating a chromed elite look that is both sinister and sophisticated. It's a masterpiece of VIP-style tuning, executed with OEM-level precision. Dynamics. Performance meets comfort. Underneath this aggressive exterior, Tom's hasn't forgotten the Century's core identity. They've equipped this beast with massive 22-inch forged aluminum wheels, designed to fill the arches perfectly while reducing unsprung weight. The suspension has been expertly retuned. It sits lower for better handling and a more dominant stance, yet it retains that legendary, magic carpet ride quality. While the V6 plug-in hybrid powertrain remains a marvel of smooth engineering, the new stainless steel exhaust system gives it a voice. It's a deep, resonant growl that reminds you that Tom's is, at its heart, a racing team. This car is no longer just for the person in the back seat. It's a machine that finally rewards the person behind the wheel. The new standard of JDM luxury. The Tom's Racing Toyota Century is a daring statement in an industry that often plays it safe. It proves that even the most traditional icons can evolve into something more expressive and exciting. By combining the ultimate in Japanese craftsmanship with track-inspired Aero, Tom's has created the definitive, executive sport SUV for 2026. It raises a fascinating question. Is this the ultimate evolution of the Century, or is it a step too far for such a royal icon? I personally think it's a brilliant fusion of two different worlds. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Does the quad-pipe exhaust belong on a Century? I'm Ava. Stay smart, stay curious, and as always, blue skies ahead.